Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring SQL Server Agent is running and you have appropriate permissions. This avoids permission errors later. Once connected in SQL Server Management Studio, navigate to the SQL Server Agent node. Expanding Jobs presents the obvious place to begin. Now, right-click Jobs and choose New Job to open the job properties. This first action sets the framework: a name, owner, and category. Make sure to name the job clearly, so you can identify its purpose in job history and alerts. You now define what the job does by adding steps. Choose the type, Transact SQL, PowerShell, or CMD exec, and set the correct database context to avoid running in master by mistake. Once steps are ordered, configure advanced options for output logging, retry count, and whether to continue on failure. This controls resilience. Next, create a schedule. Set frequency, daily or weekly cadence, start time, and ensure the schedule is enabled. Make sure to link the schedule to the job before saving. You finish by saving the job and immediately running it manually to confirm behavior. A manual start exposes permission, path, or context issues quickly. Once done, check job history and the SQL Server Agent log for detailed messages. These tell you why a step failed or timed out. If things go wrong, make sure account permissions, command paths, and database context are correct. Adjust the step and retry. Finally, enable notifications, or operators, so future failures alert you automatically.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.